Torremolinos is getting ready for an incredibly vibrant and thrilling festival, Pride 2023, which the town hall proudly proclaims as a remarkable celebration of diversity and a significant milestone in the town's history. Under the inspiring theme Old Age, Pride, Memory, Taking Care of Our Legacy, the Pride 2023 festivities in Torremolinos will span from Thursday, June 1st to Sunday, June 4th. The event-packed schedule includes over 30 social, sporting, and recreational activities, along with beach parties, concerts, and the highly anticipated annual parade. On June 1st, the festival will commence at 9 a.m. at the Pablo Picasso Cultural Center with the raising of the rainbow flag and a proclamation. This year, the proclamation will be delivered by the esteemed Madrid designer, Lorenzo Caprile. At noon, the LGBT+ flag will be raised at Plaza de la Nogalera, followed by an afternoon filled with family activities, a diversity gymkhana, captivating drag shows, and performances by Marta Sango, Natalia Lacunza, and Rainbow Voices. The festivities will continue on Friday with yoga and exercise classes on Playa Bajondillo at 9 a.m., allowing participants to engage in wellness activities by the beach. This will be followed by a delightful paella gathering for seniors at La Bodega restaurant in the town center. At 6 p.m., the vibrant Plaza Costa del Sol will be the venue for the 5th edition of the Proud Pets contest, where pets and their owners can showcase their pride in a lively competition. Meanwhile, the Picasso Cultural Center will come alive with a series of captivating concerts and drag shows starting from 9 p.m. This fantastic lineup of entertainment will feature electrifying performances by Ricky Marino and Supremi Deluxe, ensuring an unforgettable evening for attendees. Best of all, these events are free for everyone to enjoy. The pinnacle of the festival unfolds on Saturday, where the exuberant parade of floats will commence its journey at 6 p.m., departing from the town hall and meandering through the streets of Torremolinos, ultimately culminating at the Picasso Cultural Center. Following the parade, an evening filled with live music and extravagant drag shows awaits attendees. Notable performances include the talented coro LGBTQ+ de Torremolinos, the province of Malaga's sole choir of its kind, the non-binary poet Angelo Nestor, the renowned Spanish drag queen and singer La Prohibida, the electropop duo Ojet Cala known for their ironic lyrics and absurd humor, and Victor Algara, whose music eloquently captures the experiences shaping the gay community. On Sunday, the festival will draw to a close with a grand beach party taking place at Bajondillo Beach, adjacent to Bar Eden, starting at 5 p.m. Torremolinos Pride originated in 2015 and has rapidly grown into a highly anticipated annual extravaganza, attracting thousands of visitors from all across Spain. To find more information about Pride Torremolinos, you can visit the official website at www.pridetorremolinos.s. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.